My name is Erica Kangas, and I currently serve as head of engineering at Scroobious, where we are connecting entrepreneurs, investors, and ecosystem partners. I'm also a mentor at Hack Diversity, supporting early career software engineers, and I'm a 3-time head of engineering hire at early stage startups, specializing in building products and driving positive outcomes for under-resourced and underserved communities.
I'm Ian, I'm CTO at Darby. We're a healthcare company that streamlines the process of getting patients medical equipment when their doctor prescribes it for them. My background is mostly startups with a few stints at big public companies, but my heart belongs to startups.
Hi, my name is Melissa Leffler, and I've been leading engineering teams for several decades. I tend to gravitate towards smaller companies, but I've also had stints at a couple of large companies. But in general, my other companies have been more founding teams when companies are trying to build initial product and find product market fit. My most recent job was at Drift. I was there for about 5 years. And when I went in, there were 20-something engineers and grew the team to 120. And that was a really fun ride.
A head of engineering, in my mind, is at an early stage is someone who is part individual contributor, part manager, part executive, and all of those areas of expertise are angled toward the technical kind of area of the business. So you'll say some stuff as a founder, and the technical lead or the head of engineering will kind of play it back to you in a technical context. So you have some idea of, how heavy a lift is the thing you're asking for, or this new feature that we want to add, or this new line of business we want to open. What are the efforts? And then that head of engineering will go and make it happen.
As you're hiring your first engineering leader, you need someone who knows how to build product, but it's really important for that person to be able to communicate with you. So depending on how much product management expertise or software expertise you have, or whoever else you've already hired into the company or who's advising, you need that person to fit really well and be able to communicate with those people.
A head of engineering absolutely has to be a great translator in all kinds of different forms, whether you are translating the business need to hands-on coding, or if you're acting as that interface between your team of engineers and other business teams or your leadership team. To some degree, you are always doing some form of adapting your language, context, messaging across to different audiences so that you can be effective in driving certain outcomes out of that team.